Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the classic Pokemon intro with Gengar versus Nidorino. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Gengar versus Nidorino surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to begin by lining up the corners and giving it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to fold it one more time, so it's kind of like a bookmark. Now when I open this up, I have these nice guidelines that show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin with Gengar. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to make his eye. So I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then I'm going to go back like a check mark. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and then up. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and up. And then let's color in most of this pupil, but we'll leave just a little bit white so we have like some reflection. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line above the fold, and I'm going to bring this up into a smile. And then I want to bring this down. And then I'm going to jump over the fold and bring it right to here. Then I'm going to bring this line up and connect it. Next, let's go ahead and draw some lines that come down for the teeth. So we'll just draw 1, 2, 3, and then we'll go 4 lines. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve back like this. Then I'm going to draw a little spike here, and then another spike here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and then back to here. And then I'm going to curve this line down. Next, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to bring this line all the way to here. And then I'm going to make a little spike back here, and then one more that goes off the paper. Then starting here for the arm, let's just draw a line that's just going to curve around like this. Then I'll make 1 little bump for a finger, 2, and 3, and then I'm going to curve this over. Then I'll bring this line up. Then right here, I'm going to put that other ear. So I'm just going to make a line that's going to come up, and then I'm going to bring this down for that other ear. Now over here, let's go ahead and draw Nidorino. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down, and then I'm going to come back in like a check mark shape. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then up. I'm going to curve a line here. Then I'll curve another line inside of here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then I'm going to bring it down to here. And then right here, I'm going to make a little mark for the nose. Next, for the horn, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out to a point and then bring it back. And then I'm going to bring this line up. Next, we'll curve this a little more. And then starting here, let's bring this line up. And I'm going to make it a little bumpy and then bring it all the way to the top. Next, I'm going to bring this down, back up, and down again. Then I'm going to bring this down and into here. I'm going to make a small bump on the inside of the ear. Then I'm going to bring this up, down, and then over to here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come over. And then back here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and down, and then up here for some of the spikes. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw this line. It's going to come over and then up to here. Then I'm going to bring this line down like this for the neck. I'm going to curve a line down. And then I'm going to curve this line over and down for the leg. Then I'm just going to bring this line up to here. Now, our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once this is opened up, we have two halves of our Pokemon in battle. Now, let's go ahead and start with Gengar. So what I'm going to do is I'll start right here, and I'm going to bring this line down where his teeth are. And then I'm going to take this line, and I'm going to curve this right down to here. Then let's go ahead and we'll bring these lines down all the way to the bottom of the teeth. Then I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to take this line and I'm going to connect this all the way back up to here for the mouth. Then I'm going to bring this line all the way over to here, a little bit of a curve. And then I'm going to make these lines all come up, just so we have some lines for our teeth. Now, for Gengar, I want him to do his famous lick attack. So I'm going to make his tongue. So I'm going to start by drawing a line that's just going to come up and down here. And then I'm going to make another line that's going to go down, and I'm going to bring this up. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this up, and I'm going to get bigger, and then I'm going to curve this around here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to jump over it and bring it down to here. Then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to bring this line down and then connect it to here. Now, once we have Gengar done, let's go ahead and move on to Nidorino. So I'm going to begin by bringing this line down, and then I'm going to bring this up. Then I'm going to take this, I'm going to bring it over and down, and then I'm going to curve this up to here. Then I want to bring this up, and I'm going to bring this over. And then I'm going to curve this up to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and up. Then I'm going to bring this line up and down. Now for the tongue, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to come down here. Then for the mouth, I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to bring this line down here. Now, we want to make Nidorino's Poison Sting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come out, and then it's going to come back. And then I'm going to make kind of like a wavy line on here. And that way when we draw the rest of this, it's going to kind of look like this has poison on it. Then I'm going to bring this line out, And I'll bring this line out. And then I just want to curve this down. So it looks like it's got the poison sting attack coming at him. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Gengar versus Nidorino surprise fold from the iconic Pokemon opening scene. So when we have it all folded up, they're staring each other down, and then when we open it, they are engaged in battle. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.